Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to show you how to draw contour lines. This particular map is showing you isotherms. This is just simply showing you temperature on a map instead of elevation on a map. The first two steps for this week's learning plan, you learned about how contour lines show you how high or low land is. If the lines are close together, it's a very steep slope or mountain. If the lines are far apart, it's a very gentle slope. This map is showing you temperatures. So on this map, if the lines are close together, that means the temperature is a big difference. If the lines are further apart, that means there's not a big difference. So you use the same rules for drawing contour lines for elevation as you do temperature or snowfall or any other kind of contour lines. The two rules you have to keep in mind is that your goal is to connect points of equal value and the lines will never cross each other. So let's do this map, which the first step is telling us to draw the 50-degree Fahrenheit line. So I have to find all my 50s on the map first. So I scan the map. These are 30s, 40s. Here's a 50 here. And I don't see any other 50s on my map. So now I'm going to decide where to come into that 50 from off the map. Up here's all 30s. I can't get in here. I can't get in between 38 and 49 because the number 50 does not fall there. So I come down here and I see that the number 50 would fall between 52 and 49. So I come in my map here and then I have to decide which way am I going. The number 50 does not fall between 43 and 44, but it does fall between 44 and 66. So I keep my line going here. Then I have to go up because the number 50 is between 52 and 44, not 52 and 65. 50 falls between 51 and 44. The number 50 falls between 43 and 55, between 45 and 53, and then I can go right through my 50 because that's my equal value line. Then I can go between 43, 53. Then I have to go up here because 50 is between 48 and 51. And then I can go between 44 and 53, between 46 and 56. I have to curve down a little bit because 50 is between the 47 and 58. And then between the 46 and 52. And that's it. Now I'm going to do my 60. Same thing. I see a 60 here. I see a 60 here. And I don't see any other ones. So I'm going to come into my map because 60 is between 69 and 52. Here it's between 52 and 66. Between 51 and 65. Then I can go right down through this 60. Through this 60. Oh, that was a little messy, sorry. Between 51 and 64. Between 56 and 62. Between 56 and 64. And there's my 60. Now I have to do the 80. So let's look. I don't see any 80s here. I see one here. And I see one here. So I cannot go into my map over here because 80 does not fall between any of these numbers or over here. So I'm just going to start with my 80 right in the middle of the map. I have to decide which way I can go. I can't go this way because 80 does not fall between any of these numbers. So I have to go this way. 80 does fall between 75 and 85. Between 83 and 75. I can go right down through this 80. I can't go this way. I can't go that way. So I just go right up to this 80 again. So this is showing you that it's probably the peak of a mountain or a high spot of the land. And that's all there is to it.